Ever look at old tech and think, this is junk? What if I told you that inside these useless gadgets are hidden treasures waiting for a second life? Every year, we generate 50 million tons of e-waste. That's like throwing away 800 laptops every second. And the worst part? Most of it never gets recycled. But today, we're about to change that. In this video, I'll show you 3 genius ways to upcycle your old tech into useful gadgets you'll actually use. No special skills needed, just a little creativity and some simple tools. Stick around because the last project is my favorite. And if you love DIY tech, hit that subscribe button now for more awesome upcycling ideas. Check your junk drawer. Phones with cracked screens, old tablets, or broken keyboards. Perfect. Ask friends and family. Most people have old tech lying around collecting dust. Thrift stores and garage sales. You'd be amazed at what you can find for cheap, or even free. A cracked screen doesn't mean the camera's broken. That's why this phone is going to be a smart security camera. Let's get started. Grab an old smartphone with a working camera. Install a free security app like Alfred Camera. This turns your phone into a live streaming security cam. Set up the phone on a stand near your front door, garage, or even as a baby monitor. Boom! Instant security camera, totally free. Now let's turn an old tablet into something really cool. Got an old tablet that's too slow for apps? Let's turn it into a slideshow of your favorite memories. Wipe all data for a fresh start. Adjust the settings so the screen doesn't time out too quickly. Place it on a tablet stand or wall mount it with adhesive strips. Keep it plugged in for a continuous slideshow. And just like that, an old tablet becomes a beautiful digital display. But now, let's take it up a notch with something that actually moves. Feeling the heat? Let's make a USB-powered desk fan from an old PC fan. Cut the USB cable and strip the red and black wires. Connect the fan's red wire to the USB's red wire and black to black. Wrap the connections with electrical tape to secure them. Insert the USB into a laptop, power bank, or wall adapter. Watch your fan spin instantly. A cool breeze from an upcycled gadget. And there you have it. 3 amazing ways to breathe new life into your old tech. Remember, every gadget you upcycle is one less in the landfill. So get creative, start tinkering, and let's make the world a little greener, one DIY at a time. EliteIQ. Who knew an old PC fan could keep you chill? Now imagine what else you could upcycle. And there you have it. We just transformed old, forgotten tech into 3 useful gadgets, saving money, reducing waste, and having fun doing it. Every gadget repurposed is one less in a landfill. Every upcycled device is one more way to save money. Now it's your turn. Which of these projects are you trying first? Drop a comment below and share your own upcycling ideas. And if you love DIY tech, money-saving hacks, and creative projects, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more genius upcycling ideas. Ever look at an old gadget and think, this is junk? Well, think again.